Hi, my name's Cody Logwin. I'm exhausted. Had a long day of finals. It's 8:21, and I feel like I'm about to fall down. Like out of my chair, fall forward, crack my skull on the ground, die a painful death like Tiny Tim. Actually, his death wasn't painful. I'm pretty sure it was instant. Basically cracked his skull open. Never mind. I'm gonna drink this rain. I've heard things about this. I'm actually a little bit afraid that it might be deadly. I'm pretty sure it has some ingredients in here that will cause me some bodily harm. It seems to be very acidic. I'm actually a little bit afraid that it's going to burn my organs, but that's yet to be confirmed because I haven't drank it yet. So it's called Rain, the Pure Energy Rush. It's a small can, very well chilled. I kept it in the fridge. Let's see, what else can I tell you about this here? Other ingredients, besides the blueberry extract: citric acid, tartaric acid, potassium sorbate, sodium benzoate, and sucralose, which I'm pretty sure causes cancer. So, here we go. I have been told that this does cause heart palpitations, increased feelings of heat, and such.
It's gonna pop open. It's gonna splatter. Okay. Just drink all of it.
Okay, here we go. I'm actually really nervous.
Drink it.
I taste the acid.
Keep going.
Well, I just drank the rain. It's empty now. I have a brain freeze. It was very cold. Too cold. Did not enjoy the flavor. The blueberry extract was totally masked by the citric and tartaric acid. Vital signs normal. Nothing's changed so far. I'm a little bit warm. But that could just be my mind telling me I'm warm.
It's not your mind.
My tongue is numb.
Yeah.
I feel like I just sucked on a lozenge. Now I feel sweat beating.
I told you. Can I see the can?
Very uncomfortable.
I want to see it.
My vision has not been impaired. I'm optimistic about that.
Didn't you say the effects take about 5 minutes to kick in?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, full effect.
Full. Okay.
Just wait. Takes a few minutes.
So the fun is just about to begin.
I'm noticeably uncomfortable.
Happens to all of us, Cody.
And you're gonna have a high energy rush.
It is 8:26. About 5 minutes into it now.
My tongue is getting numb.
It's just been getting worse since you.
Or is it swelling? Is it swelling or is it numb?
Could be a little both, I think. Is that a heartburn starting to kick in there?
Yeah.
Are these effects getting worse by the minute?
Brain experience.
Yeah. It is an experience.
That's all that crap that you've been eating.
It's supposed to be a natural detoxifier.
Detoxifier.
Whoa, we have to. Whoa, okay.
Motion.
Motion. We'll take care of that.
My tongue is getting really numb.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Start talking. We'll see if that that tongue is actually numb.
Cosgrove.
Okay, that's a little random.
I'm sorry. I smell blueberries.
I smell it too.
You do?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I'm glad.
Could smell it when you were burping half of it out a minute or two ago. We getting better or worse?
Potassium sorbate is not seriously harmful for health.
I feel like I'm cold
It's non-toxic and is
on the
regarded as safe.
outside,
The synthetic reduces not.
but I'm really hot on the inside. I'm
Cody.
really hot in there.
Cody,
What?
potassium sorbate is non-toxic.
I didn't say it was toxic.
Well, when you were reading the description, you did.
No, I didn't.
You did.
I didn't say anything about the sorbate.
No, you said it caused cancer. It's not toxic.
No, I said the last thing caused cancer.
Oh.
Sucralose. And for your information, I don't give a damn.
I'm just saying. Let's see.
Yeah.
Sharp pains in the chest.
Any pains in your left arm? Just seeing if it's a heart attack.
No,
Any
no,
sign- oh.
no, no,
Or-
no,
oh,
no,
okay.
no, 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 no pains. There.
There.
Pains here. Pains not there. Cyclops there. Turrets there. I'm just so happy. Must be the sugar. Energy boost.
What can you tell us right now?
About what?
What are you experiencing?
I'm gonna buy another one.
All right. We'll have to say goodbye here. Any last words other than we'll buy another one, or?
I am not a criminal.